So as you can see, there is an object called person. It contains a lot of information about that person in the form of keys and values, and the keys are simple, right? No pain in the keys. The values, the colored parts, are complicated. We have a string, we have strings, we have numbers, we have boolean, we have an object itself in form of our value, and we got an array itself. So when we just try to convert this person object into an array by using Object.entries, and just basically converts the entire thing into an array, and or say array like object, but the constructor of this person object would be an array, basically an array. We can try to convert this into an array, this object into an array. I get a result which I'm not satisfied with. I'll show you what. So the output is an array which contains keys and values in the form of this. But when you look at it here, everything is cool and fine, nice, oh so damn sexy. But when you look here, the thing which we don't want here, I wanted this to look like this. I wanted this part to look like an array, but it is an object. I mean, you can see it, right? I just wanted these this to be converted in form of an array, but it is still as an object form only. So I tried to solve it. Okay, I tried to solve it. Wait, so here is my shit written code. I'm sorry, I think there is a better way to solve this, but whatever my immature beginner mind could think of, it tried to come up with a solution. So this is what I tried to come up with. Like, I really don't want to say how much time I wasted in it, but yeah. So okay, so let's comment out the previous shit. Anyways, so we'll just try to run it. So when we run it, we get an array, and this time this array looks a bit more cool. Can you just have a look here, bro? Can you have a look? This array, which was before an object, is now an array. And when you click on it, and do you see an array? Yes. No, I mean, like, it took a damn shit much of efforts, and I don't want to go and explain the code, so I did it. See, this has been constructed by me somehow.